how to set default alert times in Apple Calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the default alert times in your Apple Calendar. Let's get started. Open up the calendar, head over to calendar option in the top menu, click on it and then go to settings. Now from here you need to go to general, and there you'll see default event duration. So you can go to choose the default event duration, then go to alerts, and then from there you can choose the default alert time by going to events and choosing the time of your preference. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.